Hello student, this is Hemant, teacher of Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In today's lecture video, we are going to start Civics Chapter 4, Working of Institutions. Lecture 1. What are institutions and how do they work? So what we are going to study in this chapter, there are 3 points, that is the executive, legislature, and the third one is judiciary. How is a major policy decision taken? Now we will start with the story of Office Memorandum. It is an order was issued by Government of India on August 13. This order announced 27% reservation for socially and educationally backward classes. So the short form of it, SEBC, in government jobs. So by whom it was announced? Department of Personnel and Training in the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pension. Now what is Mandal Commission? It was the second backward class commission appointed in 1739 under the chairmanship of B.P. Mandal. So that's why the name is given Mandal Commission. Why it was appointed? What was the reason to appoint this commission? To identify the socially and educationally backward classes in India and to recommend steps for their advancement. Commission gave its report in 1980. What was there in that report? Many points were discussed in the report about backward classes. On the recommendation was to give 27% reservation to socially and educationally backward classes in government jobs. Does recommendation means law? Over here a word recommendation is used. Does it means law? No. What does it mean? Then how did the recommendation become a law? It is related to Lok Sabha election. Now see what is there. Lok Sabha election of 1989. Election manifesto of Janata Dal. Now what is the meaning of manifesto? एक प्रॉमिस करना या कोई एक एजेंडा लेकर आना कि हम जीतते हैं तो हम आपको ये काम करेंगे, हम एजुकेशन के लिए आपके लिए अच्छा काम करेंगे, आपको जॉब्स देंगे. सो वेयर द मैनिफेस्टो मीन्स अ promise to implement the Mandal Commission report if they came in power. Eventually, Janata Dal came on power. B.P. Singh became the Prime Minister and in office. Memorandum regarding reservation was brought. The decision makers. The office was merely implementing the instructions. There was a chain of major functionaries involved in the decision, such as President, Prime Minister and Parliament. Parliament, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. How? Now see, President addressed to the Parliament about the implementation of the recommendations of the Mandal Commission. Union Cabinet took a formal decision to implement the recommendations. Prime Minister informed the Parliament about the decisions, and rest the work has taken over by Department of Personnel and Training. Is it so simple to make a law? No, you can see the conflicts. There are so many conflicts. Some were in its favor and some opposed it. Yes, some people are in the favor of this bill and some are opposed. Then who resolved the conflict? There is a conflict. If a conflict arises, then who will solve the conflicts? That is the judiciary, Supreme Court and High Court. In Indira Sahani and otherwise Union of India case, Supreme Court declared that this order of the government of India was valid and government was asked to modify the original order. Accordingly, the Department of Personnel and Training issued another office memorandum on September 8, 1993. Thank you student. Hope you enjoyed the video.